Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over Elliot Wave principles in a very fast manner. This video should only be about 5 minutes long. So the basics are basically 5 moves up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 down. 1, 2, 3. That is an Elliot wave in its simplest form. These are fractal in nature, however, so what we get are waves inside of waves. So we have here in this second wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. And what we notice here is overall, if you count this as one move up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the same, it's just sometimes there's waves inside of waves. This takes it to the next level. 5 up, 3 down, otherwise known as here 21 up, 13 down. You might recognize these numbers. Yeah, so let's look at Bitcoin here. This is the Bitstamp one-day chart. It has the longest history that I can find for Bitcoin on TradingView. And it goes all the way back to 2012. So yeah, Bitcoin is very new, and it really only gained traction, you know, in 2017 or so. It started really taking off here. So let's zoom in here, and lo and behold, what do we see? I'm sure we've all seen this before, but let's just draw this out and go over this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we know after we have 5 waves? We know that there's going to be an ABC movement. So I feel that this is the A move here. B is going to be somewhere here. C is going to be somewhere here, give or take. These aren't accurate levels here. I'm just giving you the basic overview. Another thing to note is inside of all of these waves, there's subwaves that are chartable. So one looks something like this, if I remember right. This first one was a little bit messy because Bitcoin was so new and volatile in this time. We also have an ABC movement here. ABC, there. In here we have a wave that looks like this. I've drawn this wave many times. You can find that on any chart, any Bitcoin chart. We have an ABC here, ABC. Notice something about these two. We always have a quick drop, a slow climb, and then a very gradual kind of drop there at the end. So I feel like now that we're here, this ABC movement is of a larger set, so we have to kind of look at the bigger picture. Oh, I did forget one thing. There is a subset here. It goes there to there to there to there to there, actually. That's fairly accurate, this subwave here. Let's delete these subwaves for now, though. And just look at the bigger picture. Yeah, so all of this essentially turns into a bigger wave. You know, we can use the waves inside of waves, you know, fractal nature of this to just keep going. So if we put an impulse wave here, we can go down here roughly, you know, draw it big. This big, this isn't drawn to scale. This is, says 1500, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm just trying to give you guys the basic overview. You can calculate these as you go. There's a PDF and another video where I go more in depth into Elliot Wave Theory. It's about a half-hour long, so yeah, I just want to keep this short. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Be careful here. A lot of people get caught out riding, they put a lot of faith into a breakout, say, at the top of a B wave, only to find out that we're going potentially lower. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys, while you're trading. As of this time, I do not recommend buying Bitcoin, but yeah, it's only based on this theory, and like I say, I've been able to quote or to apply this all the way from about $700 or so is where I find a good starting point is. There's Fibonacci levels that coincide with all of these waves, and you can calculate targets based off of them. So yeah, have a good look at this, guys. It's, as far as the macro scale goes, this is the most powerful theory that I've found to fit in Bitcoin. So okay, that's it for now. Thanks, guys.